Hello student, Chapter 22, Democracy and Government. Something to know. Tick the correct option, fill in the blanks, match the following and answer the following questions of D. Okay, now start. Tick the correct option. Conflicting interest leads to harmony. In an atmosphere of discord and division, what is the best way to settle dispute? The best way of settle dispute is adjustment and accommodation. Okay. Number 3. Democratic way of life demands that. Democratic way of life demands the opinion of minorities should be respect. Opinion of minorities should be respect. Okay. Now question 4. Which one of the following is against the spirit of democracy? Then harmony and balance, social equalities, dictatorship, economic equalities. तो यहाँ पे डिक्टेटरशिप जो है वो डेमोक्रेसी से मैच नहीं खा रहा है. हाँ, आइडेंटिफाई द अनडेमोक्रेटिक मेथड्स ऑफ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग. इसमें अनडेमोक्रेटिक मेथड कौन सा है? प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग का अनडेमोक्रेटिक मेथड कौन सा है? तो डिस्कशन तो डेमोक्रेसी में होता है, प्रिकॉशन, कॉम्प्रोमाइज़. तो को-इरिजन मीन्स में थे एक दूसरे को विरोध करना, दबाना. ओके, को-इरिजन. देन fill in the blanks. Our country is dash governed by the people through their representative. Our country is indirectly. Our country is indirectly governed by people through their representative. And 2. A democratic government is a government of the people, for the people, or by the people. Okay, last one is by the people. Question number 3. When elected representative govern the country on behalf of the people, it is called representative democracy. It is called representative democracy. ये वाला एस हटा देंगे यहाँ से, रिप्रेजेंटेटिव हो जाएगा. ठीक है, रिप्रेजेंटेटिव फॉर्म ऑफ. ओके. There is no place for dash and dash in the democracy. There is no place of co-erection or violence. Okay. Violence. And number 5. Democracy paved the way and prepared the citizen to mutually resolve the dispute. Mutually resolve the dispute. Okay. Now match the following. India, democratic government. 1. E. Goal of democracy, well-being each other, universal adult franchise, right to cast vote, union government at national level, positive attitudes, live and let live. Then question answer. What is the most positive attitudes in the conflicting situation? Democratic attitudes of adjustment and accommodation is the most positive attitude. Mention and outcomes of conflicting situation: misunderstanding, raise stand, and class. Okay. Now question number 3. Who organize, supervise, and control activity around us? Government. What is the outcome of tolerance and self-discipline? Then harmony. Question number 5. Give example of any two elected representative of the people at various level of government India is indirectly governed by the people elected their representative who govern on their behalf. The head of particular ward, who is also known as councillor of that ward, and the chief minister, who is the head of the state, are two examples of public representatives of different level of a government who are elected by the people public votes through different elections. Okay, now thank you, student.